everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of multimodal artificial intelligence. What is it and why is it so important? Multimodal AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can understand and process multiple forms of data simultaneously, like images, sounds, text, and video. Just like how we as humans use all our senses to perceive the world, multimodal AI aims to do the same. Imagine a chatbot that not only responds to your text but also understands the images you send it. This is the direction in which companies like OpenAI and Google are heading. Recently, OpenAI enabled its GPT-4 model to analyze images and added speech capabilities. Meanwhile, Google is testing its multimodal AI, Gemini, which might just have a competitive edge due to its vast database from Google Search and YouTube. Multimodal AI isn't just theoretical, it's already being used in practical applications like automatic image captioning, voice translation, and even detecting harmful content online. Looking ahead, multimodal AI could revolutionize fields like virtual reality, autonomous driving, and medicine by providing more holistic and immersive experiences. Multimodal AI represents a significant step towards creating AI systems that truly understand and interact with the world as we do. It's an exciting frontier in the AI landscape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and technology.